Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish line full guide. Start by collecting durable nylon or recycled fibers, a spindle, strong glue, scissors, and a tension setup for twisting. Secure one end and begin twisting fibers evenly while applying light heat to set the twist. Test diameter and strength by measuring breaking strain, then coat the finished line to seal and prevent fraying. Practice makes consistent results, so repeat until you reach desired quality. Gathering the right materials makes all the difference, so I want to walk you through what to use and why. Pick nylon or recycled fibers for the core and decide on diameter by measuring intended load and line length. Use a reliable spindle, clamps, and a tension system to create even twists. Keep glue and a mild heat source for setting, and protect your workspace from spills and fumes for safer crafting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials like this one. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with practical hobbies like line making. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more or grab a copy. Now let's get back to the video. I will guide you through each step so you can build dependable line at home with confidence. Anchor your fibers and maintain steady tension as you twist to avoid weak spots or uneven diameter. Periodically apply a light glue or heat treatment to set the twist and prevent unraveling. Once the desired thickness is reached, coat the line to seal fibers, spool it smoothly, and perform breaking tests before any fishing trip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.